the criminology program here at Cagayan Euro College. Allow me to greet first our Dean. Dean Manny Haujan, palakpakan natin ang ating ever-dynamic dean and also a graduate of Cagayan Euro College sometime in the 80s or 2000. And of course with him is our city councilor, the 4-termer na ba? 6-termer na. City councilor of the city of Cagayan de Oro, City Councilor Roger Abaday. Palakpakan natin. Mga professor din natin ito. And of course, allow me also to acknowledge the RAP chairman of National Police Commission Region 10. And doon, hawak pa rin niya kasama yung Caraga Region. Attorney Robert Lu Ilango.
Yay! Among favorite.
Okay. Allow me also to greet ang ating regional chief ng PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, Colonel Limuel Gonda. Was also part of the faculty some time ago. And of course, allow me also to acknowledge the Philippine National Police Provincial Director of Misamis Oriental Police, Colonel Al Abanales. Colonel, daghang salamat for gracing this occasion. Sa tanan nato nga mga faculty program heads, di na ako siguro ma-mention yung tanan. But I am so happy and I'm so elated this afternoon, this evening, nga ang atong batch 1979 niya din, palakpakan nato. Palakpakan 1970s. They are one of the earliest product of PINMA or Cagayan Euro College BS Criminology Program. Ang akong nailangkit, pasensya kayo, si Miss Banwag. And of course, sa tanan nato, we are so happy, actually, we are so happy and we are so proud that in spite of this very short notice, you're able to give us your precious time to be here. And sa tanan, I just would like to mention some very important personalities who have also caused some impact in our program. Attorney Erwin Busio, palakpakan na to. The next president of of course, Attorney Busio is a practicing lawyer and has also been in the academic community, particularly in criminology for the longest time, and now serving on a state university. We also have this afternoon, this evening, a school president. Palakpakan natin. Saan na ba yung apelido galing niyo mo? Nalimot mo ko. Charlene Hanok, palakpakan na to. The president, the school president of Kapatagan Community College. Palakpakan na to, si Charlene. And ang atong vice president for academic affairs sa Surigao. Pilahan. Dr. Edwin Montalba, the vice president for academic affairs. So, itong iskulahan ni mo, Brad? Nalimot man ko. Next na mo. Of course, sa tanan nato, we are so happy and we are so glad nga nakahatag tag oras, nakahatag tag panahon. And we are also so grateful and thankful actually. Kaya ang una ginatong istorya niini nga we will push for this is ang atong regional chief sa PNP Internal Affairs Service in Region 12. Palakpakan na to ang atong alumni president, Lieutenant Colonel Henry Cayas. Palakpakan na to. Actually, we started the discussion